Hey guys, and welcome to my newest video. In today's tutorial, we're gonna talk about how you can basically change or edit your admin menu, which is the menu on your left hand side, the dashboard menu. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the plugins and we're gonna choose the add a new plugin option. We're gonna left click on that and it's gonna take us to this page right here. In the search plugins menu, we're gonna search for VP admin menu and you're gonna click on enter. We're gonna install the admin menu editor. So you're gonna left click on install now, which lets you edit the WordPress admin menu. You can reorder, hide or rename menus, add custom menus or more. So once the install button is changed to activate, we're gonna left click on activate and we're gonna wait for it to activate also. So now when we go to plugins and install plugins, left click on that, we should see the admin menu editor. So once we go to settings, left click on settings, here we have the menu editor, so we can do whatever we want with it. For example, if we go to this arrow right here on the dashboard, we can change the menu title. For example, let's call it menu and we're gonna click on enter. And for example, on the pages menu, we can basically add a new page or change the menu title of that. We can target page, for example. We can do with some extra capacity, play around with that. For example, we can, I don't know, we can go to Google reviews and we can basically show advanced options. We can change the icon URL, we can change CSS classes, we can do a lot of things. So now when we save changes, the dashboard menu is gonna change to the menu and not dashboard. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope that guys helped you and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.